thing's fucked. Fix the fucking thing, will you? It's rude.
Oh yeah,
Fucking heap of fucking shit.
Relax.
Fuck, hey, nah, you fixed the fucking thing before.
Yeah.
Fix the fucking thing again, right?
Yeah, no,
right?
yeah.
Fine.
I'll
Fix
give you
the
a call.
fucking thing.
I'll give you a call.
No
mate.
problem.
No worries. Okay.
Tomorrow. I
Yeah.
want the cunt tomorrow.
No
right?
worries. I'll give you a call.
Sorted?
Right? Yeah. Sorry, mate.
What the fuck?
Sorry, mate. Couldn't fix it. Sorry, mate. I wish you could long, eh? Fucking. Sorry, mate. Just speak to Harvey Norman next door, eh? And have a talk to the guys. Maybe they get a brand new one.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What's going on?
Sorry,
Hey,
mate.
hey, come on!
We close, mate.
What? You fucking kidding? They fucking... Don't do that, freak. You fucking go and forget. Yeah, fucking bald headed fucker. Stop fucking laughing or I'll throw it at you. Oh, stop. That's it. Oh, yeah. Get that look off your face. You're sitting there. Oh, yeah. Oh, you freak.
Hey, mate, I have to be...
You got that look on your
I
face.
have to be honest, but I'm playing solitaire, mate.
Well, look, that's a boring game, so why would you have a smirk on your face? You pain in the ass. Actually, he actually didn't do it. That was fucking cool. This thing's fucked. So what about the fucking bug? Fucking had it, man. But
Yeah,
you chase some bugs,
Yeah, you've been really fast, mate.
Nah, stop.